in Gulu, Uganda. Brenda's got the green going on. Shakalaka, boom, shakalaka.
Oh, there's Irish in this.
It's okay.
Really?
It's okay. You'd like to join me today? Like at 2 p.m. for sports?
If we finish our hair.
It's okay.
We're going to do our hair. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all well. Today is another day in Gulu. I'm gonna go get my hair done, so come along with me. I'm just filling up with water from the borehole. It's nice and fresh, and it's been in the fridge, so it's nice and cold too. Delicious. Here's Brenda.
Hi.
You probably remember her from previous vlogs. We are both in Gulu for the same reason, you know? Well, Brenda's been here for a while, haven't you?
Like, yeah, like 2 weeks.
2 weeks. So today we're both going to do our hair, which we're excited about.
Yes.
Something new, something fresh. So yeah, come along with us and see what styles we get. Yeah.
As we choose the colors.
As we choose the colors and everything. Yeah. Withdrawing mobile money. Very, very convenient in Uganda.
And we have money.
Yeah, we have some money for doing our hair.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Let's go. Radio Mega in Gulu, and we met these lovely people sitting here. We were just about to ask them to take a photo for us. Then they started telling us about Gulu, living here and everything.
Okay.
Please introduce your name.
My name's Winnie Oyet. I'm a news anchor here at Mega FM. We've been here like in this town like for decades.
Yeah.
So this is my colleague.
Yes.
Well, my name is Leonard Bernard Odom. I am the presenter at Mega 100. At the same time, I do gospel, I anchor news as well. I'm also a sales and marketing officer. Yeah, it's a pleasure being with you guys.
What time?
Oh, my show is from 2 to 3. That's Monday to Friday. And then the news is at 7, 8, and 1.
Can you come and film me when you're doing your show?
It's okay.
Really?
It's okay. You'd like to join me today? Like at 2 p.m. for sports?
If we finish our hair.
It's okay.
We're going to do our hair.
Nice hair, natural.
We put some braids.
Oh, some.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. It's fine.
We could take you around, by the way. We could take
Now?
you to. Yeah, it's okay.
Around the town.
Around.
Oh, around the
space,
place.
yeah.
It's okay.
There are 2 radio stations here at the moment.
Okay. Yeah.
That's good. I've done radio before.
Okay.
So it's very bad. I've never like seen radio in a small town.
Wow. Okay, you'll come and have a look at the studios and.
I was going to take a picture of that.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Ben.
Welcome.
You're welcome.
When we come back, we ask for who?
Leonard.
Leonard, you'll be in.
I'll be available. Should be out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we hope to be done in like 3-4 hours.
4 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe you can take our mobile numbers.
Yeah, sure. I was about to ask. So
This is our boss also.
Yeah.
It's called Musa. HR. Human resources.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thanks for the visit. Thanks for the visit.
It was, thank you. Yeah, it was great
It
to
was
be here.
abrupt, but
Yeah, but yeah.
no, but I know I'm always in Gulu.
you're always here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Whenever I'm around.
You
Yeah.
try to come around.
Yeah, because when that time I kind of I'm like, what would it be like to like
To
radio
town and to
in
radio.
That's the whole of Mega FM coverage.
Yeah.
Photo of the coverage area. Mine with this.
Yeah.
I would love to get one, even a smaller one.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's very exciting.
Uganda excellence.
Yeah, it's the emblem.
Yes. Newsroom, the news section. Yes.
Tell me that.
You see?
Man,
Okay.
Finally got to the hair place.
Yes,
Hey Tabby, say hi.
Hey. We're at the salon doing our hair.
Yeah.
Different styles.
You're doing a green. Sorry, you're doing brown.
I'm doing brown. It's like a kind of gingery brown.
Yeah.
And really and truly, I want something kind of like this.
Okay, then you should do that.
Yeah.
I'm doing green, the color of abundance. Calling it in, calling it in.
In the salon with Brenda, we're about to get our hair done, and I'm just getting my hair combed, as you can see. You'll see the style we eventually get. Of my hair, it's much straighter now and like reaching the shoulders. Really? Oh my gosh.
You wouldn't think it was that long.
You wouldn't think, no. So we're doing our hair
Where are you going?
in Gulu, Uganda. It's very nice. We also ordered some food, chapati, samosa, and some food in there.
Oh, there's Irish in this. I did not
Yeah.
see that. Okay.
I don't know what's good over there. So, this is what we've done so far. The salon. Brenda's got the green going on. I've got this, and I'm already excited about it. It's like, yeah.
Yeah, I can't wait to see how all this comes.
Excited to have my hair done.
Okay. That likes.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
It's Johnny. Shakalaka, boom, shakalaka. I heard a cover of this. I don't even know this song. So this was the final result. Well, on top, these people started cutting the braids before I even told them, and so they're gonna look so uneven, but I was actually happy with the braid pattern, the tightness. It was not tight at all, and Brenda was super happy and she looked amazing in green. Yeah, I think it's pretty clear that any color suits Brenda. Green, red, any color whatsoever. How do you feel now your hair is done?
But it's heavy. Kind of.
This is the ice cream that we got. It's like blueberry and passion fruit. This one I got blueberry and passion with some chocolate, Hershey's chocolate sauce. And of course, you can see the toppings, the raisins. I might not eat the raisins, but I'll definitely have the sprinkles and the ice cream. Yeah. That's Brenda's.
Lemon and strawberry. And the same thing, Hershey's syrup and
Yeah.
toppings.
It's good.
And raisins, yeah. So guys, it's the end of the day. This is actually the style I ended up doing. Do you like it? Do you not? I've had mixed responses. It's actually not 100% done yet because these people kind of annoyed me by the way they started cutting before even dipping it in hot water. And then they started sewing and doing all kinds of random stuff. But anyway, it's done now. And I think next time if they can follow instructions, then I might try them again, but maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, I can't wait to do some photo shoots and all that. You can see but the beads at the end. I'm gonna go look for more beads tomorrow, and then I'm gonna burn the ends so that they're just like, I don't have to worry about it basically. But yeah, all in all, I like it. It's very tribal, it's very nice. And it's kind of Maasai, my auntie said. You meant to put like a little thingy. It's kind of Kenyan. So yeah, it's done. Anyway, I'm gonna go take a shower now and prepare for the evening. So yeah, See you tomorrow.